Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect Red AI to your Microsoft Teams. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser. I have Chrome. Then look up for Red AI, log into your accounts. And once you're here, I want you to focus your attention on the left side. Click on integrations. This is where we can see all of our connected accounts. Scroll down, look for Microsoft Teams. It should be right over here under messaging. So Microsoft Teams, it shows not connected. Left click on it. So we can definitely connect this immediately. Now either click over here or down here. All right. It will be the same. So basically it will just want you to sign up into your official Microsoft account. Just go through the prompts, enable, and then once you're done, you should be pulled back into this window and it should say connected. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.